everyone. So in this video, we're going to talk about Samsung J95 versus Dyson V15. Which one is better in 2025? So Samsung J95 is Samsung's premium cordless vacuum. It delivers up to 210 air watts of suction power, which is strong enough for deep cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. One of its biggest advantages is the dual battery system. You get two removable batteries, each last up to 60 minutes for a total up to 120 minutes of runtime. So it comes with a washable dustbin and filters, making maintenance simple and cost effective. The vacuum also features a sleek digital display that shows battery life, mode, and alerts. And if you get the clean station, it automatically empties the bin into a sealed bag, great for people with dust allergies. On the other hand, the Dyson V15 Detect is one of the most advanced cordless vacuums on the market. It delivers 230 air watts of suction, slightly more than the Jet95. It features a laser dust detection system and illuminates fine particles on hard floors and an LCD screen that shows real-time particle counts and cleaning performance data. Battery life is about 60 minutes per charge, but unlike Samsung, it doesn't come with a second battery. You'll have to buy one separately. It includes advanced tools like the hair screw tool for pet hair and the torque drive head for carpets. So if you want cutting edge tech, slightly more powerful and smart features like laser detection and real-time dust tracking, the Dyson V15 is the top performer. But if you prefer longer battery life, out of the box, easier maintenance and better overall value, the Samsung J95 gives you more flexibility, especially with the dual batteries and optional clean station. Both are excellent. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize smart tech or long-lasting practicality. So that's it for today. See you on the next one.